I don't know why I'm doing this. Hey, I just recently have an idea to start this kind of content, like makeup content. Today I'm gonna try the impossible thing, which is following a true beauty guru's makeup tutorial. Yeah, so about the video, I've decided to follow Nikkie tutorial. It's her Valentine's Day tutorial, so I might not pull this off, but I will do what she says. So okay, since Nikkie has very light colored eyes, I'm just gonna use my light colored contact lens first, you know, to get the vibe on, I guess. I have a mirror on here, so when I see this direction, that means I'm looking at a mirror. Boom!
I found a joint in Mom's dresser drawer.
Okay, ow. Okay, let's start then.
It's me, Nikki. Good morning. Good night.
I've been watching it through my iPad, so
Before we
yeah.
start off, I do want to let you know that recently I've
Just gonna
my
skip
main
it
goals
through
for
the
2019 and
makeup.
for primer.
Primer.
That was pretty difficult because I don't feel this. The Catrice Illuminating Prime and Find Dewy Fixing Spray Glow.
Fixing spray. What's a spray? Do I have that? I have this LT Pro Face Mist. Why not? She did it, I'm gonna do it. It's just water, by the way. Yeah, for the feeling. So, mist, done. Foundation and concealer.
Also have it in a foundation, so I'm really excited to try that out today. I will be spreading out some F2 on my face.
This is my sponge. It's disgusting. It might have germs, but I'm fine. Nobody have time for it since I don't have much foundation left. I'm gonna use my Garnier BB cream. It's the same, I guess.
This says that it is a full coverage foundation, so I'm guessing that the lightweight. Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, the lips too, okay. Let me add more to the lips since she covered hers. Huh.
When we look at concealer, of course we can go for the
Concealer.
but
Maybelline.
But when I mentioned affordable makeup, a lot of you guys at
Yeah.
home will think
Ooh.
ColourPop. 8.
Okay, that's a lot. Oh, blend. I'm always afraid of looking too different when I do my makeup because it's like you don't actually feel confident anymore without makeup, and that scares me. That is why I try my best to not wear a lot of makeup that makes my face different, since some girls already got used to it. They wouldn't dare to go out without drawing their eyebrows. Like, I mean, it's not something to be ashamed of.
Good.
Powder. I'll use my Airspun Loose Face Powder in translucent. So yeah, since she put a lot, I'll be putting a lot too, which I don't usually do. Yeah.
But I don't care because I'm bronzing. Time for the brows.
Brows. Brows. I'll just use my jeez, Chanel brow kit thing. Fuck it. I don't know how. Just filling it in. Yeah. Oh god.
Oh my god, what? Oh, this does have coverage. There. Okay, concealer can fix this. Alrighty, and now with concealer, I'm gonna carve these out to hopefully save the day.
It won't save my day, of course.
Okay, people, I went off camera, had some playtime, and this is what I came up with. And might I share that I am so freaking proud that Brian made my eyelids using...
Am I doing it right? I am not doing this right. Oh my god, I look like Shin-chan. Okay.
This LA girl broke...
Okay, she has done some kind of pink cut crease eyeshadow thing.
Teal in the color Berries.
Benefit. Uh-huh.
Over to my other eye.
Okay. So I have that color. Enough, I guess. It's pink here. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one.
Really building up that color. No,
Since she has done one eye, I will do this on each eye.
stamp that color on, create the
Wah!
shape that you desire, and from there, and the pigment, it is time to take that same...
So she has packed this pink on her crease. I have no idea where my crease is. It's around here, I guess. The crease. Next. I don't have that color. Just with this one. It's by Kylie. Ooh. Okay. I'm feeling it. Ah!
Back down, it is time to cut the crease, and I'm using that same concealer.
Oh god, not the crease. Please help me. I have failed you.
Alrighty, and I'm taking this shade and this shade to set the lid.
To set the lid.
Do we
Set
see
the
that?
lid.
Now that is a cut crease.
I will use the
Now,
same freaking brush. I don't care.
This is by Essence. This is a melted chrome eyeliner.
I don't have that, so. What I do have is this Bobbi Brown shadow stick in, I think, rose gold. Golden pink. Yeah. And frame it. It works, I guess. Oh, jeez. There you go. Close enough. Thanks.
Now I'm applying my winged liner using the
Liner,
Catrice
winged liner.
Rock Couture.
My Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black. And as you can tell, I do not know how to wear eyeliner. So this will be fun. Not bad. Okay. Okay. Now the challenge to look the same. It's been a while since I use eyeliner. I've been only using dark eyeshadow to create eyeliner. Damn! I'm so proud of myself. Under eye. What did I use? Oh, this one. I'm gonna use the same freaking brush, but the bottom one is flat brush. So it looks like I got punched on one eye, not just the eyelid. At this point, I don't know if you guys are still watching. I have one. I got no glue, so close enough. I don't have glue. No lash for today. I'll just be natural me. Bronzing. I'll use my Chanel thing. This color. Bronzing. Looks so dusty. Highlighter. This color match. Brush. I'm gonna make you blind with my highlighter. Like, look at that, I'm a glowing disco ball. Next. Poppin'! Lipstick finally. I've been looking dead the whole video. I'm gonna use some nude lipstick. I'm gonna use this MAC in Velvet Teddy. This one. I feel better already. Center of the lips, as usual, I'm gonna use Peri Pera Ink Velvet in number 6.
Yes, but certainly not least, I have a Catrice setting spray. This is called HD Active Performance Freezing Spray. Get on my face.
For the sake of this video, since I'm following a beauty guru are always right. They said face with setting spray. Since I have no setting spray, I will use the first thing that I spray on my face with. You're not a beauty guru if you have not done this after makeup. And this concludes Nikkie Tutorials Valentine's Day tutorial. Okay, so I just want to say thank you guys if you kept watching until the end. So I'm just doing this for fun, and do you like it? Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this random content that I've just created an abomination, to be honest. Probably I won't do this type of makeup since I don't do this type of makeup. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do I suit more into the heavy makeup or just light makeup? It's up to you. So, and I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you do, and follow me on Instagram, on my social media. The link will be down below. So bye.